Okay, what I'm going to try and do today is cook some curry and let you see how I cook it, because I have some doubting Thomases that think I just heat up everything. Okay, first thing you got to know is how many you're cooking for, obviously. I'm only cooking for one, so it might look like a chintzy little bit, but just cooking for one. So vegetables. I'm going with tomatoes, mushrooms, carrots, onion, broccoli. First thing I got to do is cut and wash these guys. All the vegetables are all cut up. Let's walk over to the saucepan here. High heat. Pop in a little bit of olive oil. The vegetables in. How's that? And what you want to do now is get that olive oil all over the vegetables. So you can put whatever vegetables you like. I know some people don't like mushrooms, some people don't like onions. Ah, man. Actually, a young oak just said I had too much vegetables in here. Next thing you want to do is add a cup of water. In goes the water. This is way too easy, you know that. Okay, this is the type of curry I'm using today. Medium hot. It's kind of nice. We kind of like go towards the Japanese style curry, not the Indian style. Although when I was a kid in England, not a kid, but a young man in England, we tended to show our manhood. Okay, this thing comes into like blocks, like chocolate. So you want two of them. Pop them in and keep the others refrigerated. Once you opened it, I mean, you don't have to keep them refrigerated until you open it. So this thing, and then what you want to do is melt the chocolate now. Well, it's not chocolate, obviously, it's curry. And you'll see the sauce slowly thickening up. As the curry blocks melt. And you start getting that really nice smell. I like the smell of curry. I love curry. And I don't mind making it because it's fairly easy. Like I say, the more, like young oak just called me and saw how many vegetables I put in. And she said, not many vegetables? But I think it's the main part of the dish is the sauce and the vegetables you put in it. It's just great. Look at that. And we're bubbling. And once it bubbles, then we want to reduce the heat. And what kind of meat do you put in the curry? Any bloody kind of meat you can. We usually have curry on Mondays, and today is Monday. So over the weekend we'll probably have a roast or something. And we always got something left over, and it's the case today. I got a little bit of lamb left over from my roast lamb yesterday. So pop that baby in. Stir it in. And voila. Oh man, that looks so good. And oil, you're gonna rush out and make some curry. I got it on low heat. It's all stirred up, not bubbling anymore. Put that lid on it and let it bubble. We're going to eat the curry with, of course, rice. And I know. We got, we have a, what do you call it? A rice cooker. But I'm not allowed to touch it. So I've got to use this prepackaged stuff, which actually makes life a lot easier. So you want to rip a little bit of the lid off. It takes a little effort there. That thing's sealed on, but you don't want to go too much. Pop that baby in the microwave. Pop that baby in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. What's that? 1:30. And pretty much that's it. Let it all get all smushed up together. And so in about 15 or 20 minutes I'll come back. Well, let me get the rice out first. Okay, this is optional. I like some bread. I like bread with just about every meal.
This might answer your question. Bread is a staple food prepared from a dough of flour and water.
There you go.
By baking.
Who asked you?
Throughout recorded history, it has been a prominent food in large parts of the world and is one of the oldest man-made foods, having been of significant importance since the dawn of agriculture.
I have no clue who asked her to stick her nose in, but oh well. Okay, this is done. And whatever you do, don't pick this out with bare hands because that thing gets quite hot. And like I say, it's so pretty much all cooked. Too easy, right? Well, like I say, I'm only feeding me today. Bread's ready. Hey. Bread's done, curry's done, rice is done. Scoop it out. Scoop it out on my Portamarian. And I just love mushrooms. I can eat mushrooms until they come out my ear. And carrots. Pretty good stuff. There you go. One size serving. How's that? And don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna go eat. Thanks for watching.